Imagine a world where your coffee is prepared before. You think of it where your car drives you while you nap, and where strategies in your business are designed by systems that anticipate market demands with uncanny accuracy. This scenario, once confined to the pages of science fiction, is now inching closer to reality as advances in artificial intelligence, or AI, continue to push the boundaries of what machines can do. The rapid progress in AI technologies poses an intriguing question. Are we approaching an era of AI takeover where machines not only augment, but exceed human capabilities? The notion of AI systems redefining our life and work is not merely a futuristic dream, but an ongoing transformation that challenges our deepest notions of human uniqueness and capacity. In unpacking this complex tapestry, it is crucial to explore the multifaceted dimensions of AI, from its technological prowess to the ethical quandaries it spawns. Artificial intelligence has traveled a long path from its origins in the mid-20th century, where it was nothing more than a speculative pursuit in computer science. Today, AI has become a backbone technology that powers countless applications across sectors. Deep learning, machine learning, and neural networks are not just buzzwords, but real technologies, enhancing capabilities across industries from health, care to finance. In the last decade, the evolution of AI has been chiefly driven by unprecedented leaps in computational power and data availability. Algorithms that learn from vast data sets have spawned applications that can predict consumer behavior, optimize logistics, and even diagnose diseases with precision surpassing human experts. The power of modern AI is vividly illustrated in systems like GPT-3, an advanced language processing AI that can write essays, answer questions, and simulate conversation at a level that is often indistinguishable from human interaction. The infusion of AI in various industries has marked a new era of technological transformation. In manufacturing, AI-driven robots perform tasks with precision and efficiency that outmatch human capabilities. In agriculture, AI technologies predict weather patterns, analyze soil data, and optimize the timing and amount of irrigation and fertilization. The disruption brought by AI extends beyond mere operational enhancements. In the automotive industry, AI is the powerhouse behind autonomous vehicles, redefining transportation norms and promising a future with reduced traffic accidents and optimized traffic flows. The influence of AI is also palpable in the realm of customer service, where chatbots and virtual assistants handle inquiries. Talk of AI often veers into discussions about superintelligence, a form of artificial intelligence, superior to human intelligence in all aspects, from scientific creativity to social skills. The debate among scientists and philosophers regarding superintelligence is heated, split between those who view it as an inevitable outcome of current trajectories and skeptics who deem such predictions as sensational. While superintelligence remains a theoretical concept, scenarios depicted involve AI systems capable of self-improvement cycles that could quickly outpace human control. The potential for AI to function with autonomous self-awareness and superior cognitive skills raises not just possibilities, but also significant risks. It is crucial to differentiate between the AI that exists today, a tool, albeit a sophisticated one, and the speculative superintelligence that might or might not evolve. Ethical considerations and societal impact. The ascendancy of AI brings with it a host of ethical dilemmas and societal impacts that warrant deep examination. Issues such as privacy, surveillance, unemployment, due to automation and decision-making in AI systems, touch upon fundamental human rights. Responsible AI use calls for frameworks that not only enhance technological capabilities, but also protect societal values. The integration of ethical AI use is becoming a crucial discourse as echoed by global calls for regulations, and guidelines that manage AI development ethically. The societal impact of AI is profound, reshaping how we perceive fairness, privacy, and the role of human judgment in critical decision systems. The development and deployment of AI technologies have become central issues for countries worldwide, leading to a global race in AI capabilities. This competition presents a complex web of governance and policy challenges as nations vie for technological supremacy while balancing ethical considerations. Countries like the United States, China, and members of the European Union are deeply invested in the development of AI technologies, each pushing boundaries in both innovation and policy frameworks. Given the transformative potential of AI, global cooperation and coherent policies are essential to harnessing the benefits of AI while mitigating its risks. National and international policies need to address a spectrum of concerns, from ensuring fair AI practices to safeguarding against the militarization of AI technologies. As AI becomes ubiquitous, there is a pressing need to safeguard human identity and ensure that AI augments rather than replaces human roles. The challenge lies in balancing the benefits of AI in taking over routine and hazardous tasks with the necessity of maintaining a sense of purpose and engagement for people. This balance requires educational reforms and job redesign, providing pathways for individuals to engage meaningfully in an AI-integrated future. Preserving human identity involves more than just protecting jobs. It encompasses ensuring that AI assists in fostering human relationships and community well-being, rather than diminishing them. Drawing on insights from leading AI researchers, futurists, and ethicists, this section synthesizes expert opinions on the potential trajectories of AI development. Predictions range from optimistic views of AI, ushering a new age of productivity and human well-being, to dystopian scenarios where AI leads to significant societal disruptions. Experts emphasize the importance of proactive governance and continuous assessment of AI advancements to steer technology towards beneficial outcomes while preventing unintended consequences. The consensus is clear. Continued vigilance and adaptive strategies are imperative as AI technologies evolve. As we stand at the precipice of a new era shaped by artificial intelligence, the dual imperatives of encouraging innovation and exercising caution have never been more critical. The journey of AI is not just about technological advancement, but also about deeply introspective questions regarding the kind of future we want to create. Embracing AI requires a balanced approach, appreciating its transformative benefits while being acutely aware of the potential risks. An informed, ethical, and proactive approach will ensure that AI serves to enhance, not overshadow, the human experience, paving a path towards a future where both humans and machines can thrive.